Hey beautiful friends, it is Carissa here. So if you have problems snoring at night, or your partner does, and maybe they keep you awake or you keep them awake, this is a chin strap to help with that. So this is what it looks like. And you actually wear it so that your chin is going to be like closed. So if you're like a mouth a mouth snorer, this will help. I'm gonna figure out how to put it on because you've got a lot of different things going on here, and I'll show it to you and then we'll try it out. It comes with an extra piece, so if you need it to extend around your head or on top of your head, it can. So you have one little Velcro here for on top, one that goes around the side. These two little holes are for your ears. And then put that one together. And so your ears, they're comfortable. This is comfortable on your head. This is going to keep your chin, keep your mouth more closed so you can breathe through your nose and hopefully snore less.